Hello friends, I'm Zara from CV Guys, and today, let's talk about AI-powered upskilling. Ladies and gentlemen, AI-powered upskilling is here, and it's reshaping how professionals learn, adapt, and thrive. But before you panic about robots stealing your job, let me assure you, they're not here to replace us. They're here to make us smarter. Think of them as the nerdy kid in class who lets you copy their homework, except now, the homework is your career. Here's the magic of AI in upskilling. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain. Need to learn Python? AI says, here's a course tailored just for you. Struggling with public speaking? AI analyzes your tone and suggests tweaks. It's like having a mentor who never gets tired or judges your coffee addiction. But let's not romanticize it too much. AI isn't perfect. It's great at spotting skill gaps and recommending training, but it won't hold your hand through the hard work. That's still on you. And while AI can predict future job trends, it can't predict if your boss will finally approve that vacation request. The real question is, are we ready to embrace this? Because AI isn't just handing out skills, it's challenging us to rethink how we approach learning. Are we willing to unlearn old habits and adopt new ones? Can we keep pace with a world where yesterday's expertise might be irrelevant tomorrow? So here's the takeaway. AI is not a threat, it's an invitation. An invitation to learn faster, adapt smarter, and stay ahead of the curve. The only thing standing between you and your future self is your willingness to say yes to this digital co-pilot. Ready to level up? See you in the next video. Bye for now.